Getting on YouTube is such a brilliant idea right now. Many people are looking at this video streaming platform for entertainment, DIY purposes, and more. Like what you're doing right now. What's up everyone, Raf here from BNC Camera, and in today's video we'll be discussing the thought process on how to get a YouTube channel off the ground. This platform is a great way to get your message out to the masses. You can either share photography tips, create marketing content for a business, create DIY videos for home improvement, crafts, makeup tutorials, educational purposes, or voicing an opinion, and my personal favorite, of course, showing your sick video game skills. Right off the bat, the first thing you want to know is what niche are you specifically wanting to fill? Having this idea in mind will help build loyal followers. Some blogs and YouTube gurus may recommend staying within one niche, which isn't bad advice. However, staying in one lane can create burnout. Think about a broad niche like health. This topic can encompass recipes, workout videos, and other healthy lifestyle topics. The YouTube algorithm will get thrown off if you focus solely on food and then, say for example, start uploading makeup, fitness, and craft videos. The best thing you can do for your YouTube channel is to follow your passion. You don't want to have a niche that doesn't interest you. Along with this, it's best to talk about things you're educated on. If you are looking at creating a profit from your channel, think about YouTube monetization policies. Each niche has its own cost per 1,000 impressions, or CPMs for short. Usually prank videos have higher CPMs than videos that are more serious, and having high CPMs will make it harder to gain advertisers. Once you have a focus on your niche, the next thing you gotta do is create your brand. Branding yourself and your channel is one of the most crucial things you can do. Branding yourself means having an aesthetic to represent your channel. Decide on a name that everyone will remember. After you pick a name, make sure you do a quick search to ensure no one else has it. Also, make sure to keep the name simple. Making it too complicated will either throw people off or make it too hard to remember. The name should also indicate what your channel covers. Once you have settled on a name, the other part of your brand is your logo and channel banner. If you're savvy enough, you can either create these things yourself or hire a graphic designer to do it for you. Once the niche and brand has been established, you want to be easy to find. If you already have an established fan base on Instagram or TikTok, you can use these platforms to promote your channel and urge viewers to subscribe. Keywords you use are literally the keys to gaining views. Once the full game plan is in order, now it's time to put in the work. Start recording, edit your videos, and upload them to YouTube. If you need any recommendations on gear, we have made a few videos on some of the best cameras out there right now that you can use based on your skill level, so definitely check those out. In terms of gear, make sure you have proper lighting, lenses, and a reliable microphone. In terms of editing, there are many options you can go for. For Mac users, you have iMovie to start things off, but if you want to really jump into it, you can also use Final Cut Pro. For Windows and PC users, Windows Movie Maker is a good starting option, but you can also look into Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve for a more robust editing experience. Music's also going to play a big part to your videos as well too. If you're musically inclined and want to showcase your talent, you can go ahead and utilize your own music for your videos. For everyone else, you don't want to get a copyright strike and get your video delisted. You can easily circumvent this by going to free sites such as SoundCloud or paid subscription websites such as artlist.io. And to add lastly the icing to this video cake, make sure you have a great thumbnail for your video. The thumbnail is going to be the first thing most viewers are going to see, so you want to make a great first impression. In terms of structure, it's always good to have structure unless you plan to simply do compilation videos that stick to the same subject. Have a beginning, middle, and end. Be flexible in the beginning, and in terms of outros, you can actually see other YouTubers and content creators utilize pre-records to speed up editing time. Use whatever outro you feel best fits your channel. And speaking of outros, that will wrap things up with this video. Just remember, at the end of the day, content creation should be something you have fun with and be passionate about. It's more enjoyable watching someone who has a fire for what they do, so keep that flame burning bright. Push hard and keep consistent, but also be sure to not overextend and burn yourself out. Oh, also be sure to let your viewers know to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel as well too, just like what I'm doing right now to help your channel grow and improve. With that, this is your main man Raf from BNC Camera, and we wish you the absolute best in your YouTube video ventures. Catch you on the next video.